Are you drowning in debt right now? Credit cards, student loans, car payments? Does it feel like you will never get out? The average American carries over $90,000 in debt. But here is the truth. You can get out of debt fast, and I am going to show you exactly how. Stay till the end, because I am giving you a complete debt payoff plan that has helped thousands of Americans become completely debt-free.
Welcome back to Wealth by Chan, where we make personal finance simple for everyday Americans. Let's get into it. Step 1. Know exactly how much debt you have. Most people avoid looking at their total debt because it scares them, but you cannot fight what you cannot see. Write down every single debt. Credit cards, student loans, car loans, everything. Write the total amount, the minimum payment, and the interest rate for each debt. This is your debt map, and it is your first weapon against debt. Step 2. Stop adding more debt immediately. Cut up your credit cards or put them in a drawer and stop using them today. Every time you add new debt, you are digging your hole deeper. The first rule of getting out of a hole: stop digging. Step 3. Build a small emergency fund of $1,000 first. I know this sounds crazy when you are in debt, but listen, without an emergency fund, every unexpected expense goes straight back on your credit card, keeping you stuck in debt forever. Save just $50 to $100 a week until you hit $1,000. Then put that emergency fund in a separate savings account and never touch it. Step 4. Use the debt snowball method. This is the most powerful and proven way to pay off debt fast. Here is how it works. List all your debts from smallest to largest. Pay minimum payments on everything except the smallest debt. Throw every extra dollar you have at that smallest debt until it is gone. Then roll that payment to the next debt and build momentum. Each time you pay off one debt, you gain momentum and motivation. This snowball effect will have you debt-free faster than you think. Step 5. Increase your income with a side hustle. The fastest way to pay off debt is to make more money. Deliver food with DoorDash or Uber Eats on weekends. Drive for Uber or Lyft in evenings. Sell things on Facebook Marketplace. Even an extra $200 to $500 a month from side hustles can cut your debt payoff time in half. Step 6. Negotiate lower interest rates on your credit cards. Most people do not know you can call your credit card company and ask for a lower rate. Just call the number on the back of your card and say, "I have been a loyal customer and I would like to request a lower interest rate." Studies show that 70% of people who ask for a lower rate actually get one. This one call can save you hundreds in interest. Step 7. Cut your expenses to the bone temporarily. This is not forever, just until your debt is gone. Cancel all non-essential subscriptions. Stop eating out completely. No vacations, no new clothes, no unnecessary spending until debt is paid. Every single dollar you save goes straight to your debt. Think of it this way. Paying off debt is like getting a guaranteed return on investment. Step 8. Consider debt consolidation if you have multiple high-interest debts. This combines all your debts into one lower monthly payment. A personal loan with a lower interest rate can replace multiple credit card debts, saving you hundreds of dollars in interest every month. Step 9. Sell everything you do not need. Look around your house. Old electronics, clothes, furniture, gym equipment. One weekend of selling on Facebook Marketplace can bring in $300 to $500, and that goes straight to your debt payoff. Step 10. Stay motivated and track your progress. Paying off debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Make a debt payoff chart and put it on your wall. Every time you pay off a debt, celebrate that win. Remember, every dollar you pay toward debt is buying your financial freedom. You are not just paying debt, you are building your future. So there you have it. 10 proven steps to get out of debt fast in America. Start with step 1 today. Write down every single debt you have. Which step are you going to start with today? Comment below. I read every single comment. And if this video helped you, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss our weekly money tips. See you in the next video. Stay wealthy and take care.